In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. First, we're going to check your microphone access and sound settings. Open the Start menu, then click Settings. On the left side, select System. Now click Sound. Scroll down until you find the Input section. This is where Windows shows the microphones connected to your computer. Select the correct microphone from the list. If you have more than one microphone, make sure you choose the one you actually want to use. Click the microphone, then make sure it is set to allow so apps can use it. After that, return to the previous screen. Now make sure the microphone is not muted. If the input volume is too low, increase the input volume slider so Windows can properly detect your voice. Next, let's enable microphone permissions. On the left panel, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Microphone, turn on microphone access. Under Let Apps Access Your Microphone, enable access for the apps you want to use, like meeting apps, Discord, or voice recorder apps. Now let's update or reinstall the microphone driver. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Find your microphone device in the list. Right-click your microphone, then select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for the best available driver. If the microphone still does not work, right-click the microphone again and choose Uninstall Device. After that, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the microphone driver after your computer reboots. Now let's check the microphone settings inside the app where it is not working. Open the app where the microphone is having issues. For example, if it's Discord, go to the app's Sound, Voice, and Video or Audio Settings section. Make sure the correct microphone is selected inside the app. If push-to-talk is enabled and you do not want to use it, disable it. If the app has microphone sensitivity or input level settings, increase them if needed. Now test the microphone again inside the app. These steps fix most microphone problems in Windows 11 by restoring microphone permissions, selecting the correct input device, updating or reinstalling drivers, and correcting app-specific sound settings. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.